I copied the G-code file into this U-disk, and I insert U-disk into the machine. Then I press the flash drive, and you can see this is the file list, and you can check the different file and display what you make. Okay, this is what we want, and press OK. And this is the plan mate because I install one plate on the fixed wall, so I choose this, and the machine will move into a fixed position. It is for easy for arranging. Okay, now we can then we can open the, and then we can use the Django direction button, and let me see sorry. And let's step down to okay, now it seems okay. Then we check the basic information. Is it okay? If it is okay, then we can press on, then the machine will this is tight. Then this machine runs very quiet, you can see, and faster. You see. And when the machine runs, we can see when it engrave the area, the toolpath will change the green color, and the not finish is white color. You can see this is the display in real time. And after finish, the table will automatically move out. Then we can lose it, and we can see. Is it okay? This is the definitely what we design, and very precise. You can see the surface is very good.